So how does the confident voice that we are all after actually sound like? Confident voice has a lower pitch. It has measured pace. We have pauses, and our posture is relaxed, shoulders down, and jaw is unclenched. So you can enunciate, actually get the words out freely. And that is something that we can train, isn't it? Sounds easy. The problem, though, it's one thing when we talk to our friends, our kids, our partner. And it's a totally different story if we talk to a VP or an important client for us, or perhaps we are at interview. And suddenly, even if we spend days and weeks preparing for it, rehearsed it multiple times, and our brain tells us we are as good as we can. But our body is like, no, we are about to die.